What's up, guys? Google Pixel 6 is set to launch later this year. As the name suggests, it'll be the 6th generation Pixel flagship. Unlike 2020, when Google decided to release just one flagship Pixel phone, the company is rumored to be launching 2 phones this year. Last year was an outlier for the Pixel lineup, so it'll be good to see Google get back to one regular and one larger phone. As expected months before the actual launch of the Pixel 6 series, rumors and leaks about the upcoming lineup are everywhere. We already seem to know a decent bit about the series, so let's dive into everything that's been rumored or leaked about the upcoming Pixel 6 phones. An interesting aspect of the upcoming Pixel phones is going to be their processor. Google is allegedly using its own GS101 silicon in the 2 phones. This custom chip seems to be codenamed Whitechapel, and the name was also spotted in a code change submitted to the Android Open Source Project (AOSP). The specifics of the chip are unknown right now, but it is reportedly being made in partnership with Samsung and will use the high-end Mali G78 GPU. It's the same GPU that powers Samsung's Exynos variant of the Galaxy S21 phone. In other specifications, Google Pixel 6 is rumored to feature a 6.4-inch flat display with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Additionally, the phone is said to support wireless charging and pack bottom-firing stereo speakers and a USB Type-C port. It'll measure roughly 158.6 mm by 74.8 mm by 8.9 mm, 11.8 mm with the camera bump. The Pixel 6 Pro will reportedly pack a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED screen with an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's also said to include dual stereo speakers and support wireless charging, like its smaller brother. The 6 Pro will measure roughly 163.9 by 75.8 by 8.9 mm, 11.5 mm with that camera bump. On the software front, Android 12 is pretty much a certainty for both Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. The new Android version that's currently in beta will come with the Material You design language and wallpaper-based UX theming. It'll also pack a privacy dashboard to show which apps are using your phone's camera, microphone, or location. Additionally, it'll pack a number of other useful features. Cameras have long been a key component of the Pixel lineup, and it's the camera prowess of Pixel phones that drives a lot of buying decisions. Hopefully that continues with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. While there have been some rumors about the camera specifications, the actual camera quality will only be known after the release of these 2 phones. The Pixel 6 is rumored to come with a dual rear camera setup with an unknown third sensor. The Pixel 6 Pro, on the other hand, will reportedly pack a triple rear camera setup, including a wide-angle shooter and periscope-style telephoto camera. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.